Hi guys, today we are gonna try and make a popping pillow but yeah. Okay, so this is the items you need. You need a ball of clay or Play-Doh or Fun-Doh. For me it's Fun-Doh. You're gonna need a pencil, a toothbrush, or I guess a marker. You can, but I'm gonna use a pencil. So to do this, you're gonna need a medium-sized clay. But if you want to be creative, you could also do large ball of clay or little itty-bitty clay. So we're not doing that anymore. So now maybe like for you, maybe for me, this size. And then you're gonna need to flatten out. If your clay is super sticky, you could just use a surface, but for me it's not that sticky. But yeah. Okay. Like maybe if you have cracks, you could just fix it up, but you have to do it like that. That's so flat. Oh my god. Okay, but if it don't make it too flat, or else it will just keep cracking. So yeah, okay. And then you take your pencil and your clay, you put your pencil in the middle or at the corner, but you could do it at the middle or at the corner. I mean, don't do it at the middle. So just do it at the corner. You roll it up. Whoa, whoa. The hot dog goes choo choo choo, choo choo choo, choo choo choo. Okay, and it should look like this, but if you have any cracks, you could just fix it up, but don't just let it go first. You just have to stick it on first, and then you have to like cut up the sides like this, like press the edges. And then, if there's any large crack, you could just pinch it up like that. Okay, so yeah, that's my motorcycle voice. Okay, this is taking me much longer than I even expected. Okay, wait, one more. Okay, and then if you are done with no cracks, you could just roll it up, so it's like even more perfect. And yeah, my cracks keep just popping up somehow. Okay, and it should look like like a corn dog stick. What is that? Okay. After it's like this, you wait one more touch. Okay, you could just like pull it out, or you could just like roll it out. But yeah, and then it should look like that. There's a hole in the middle. In there, you take your pencil again. Oh, okay. Sorry. So you put your pencil at the corner. Like right there, or at the very edge, and then you just push it up. I'm murdering you. Okay, and then like this. Oh no. Okay, and it should look like this, and you could just like fix it up on the corner, or you could just like do this thing on the edge, or like make a hairstyle out of it. But yeah, okay, like, and it should look like this after you clean up the edges. It looks like a candy bar. Okay, and then you take your pencil again. You just do the same thing. Just put it at the corner and just push it. Oh, some clay is sticking to my pencil. Okay, there. Just like that. Take it off. Okay, and then now you could just like normal, clean the edges. Give the popping pillow a cool new hairstyle. Now it's the fun part, is to pop it. Pop it. I guess I don't know. But yeah. This is now the fun part, is to pop it. I don't think you hear that, but it pops. For me, it pops so well. But if you are right here, sitting there, you could probably hear it a little. And it's pretty simple and easy, just ball of clay and pencil. So, yeah.